Welcome back to the NDTV Toyota Greenathon. Thank you so much to all of those who've been writing in, who've been SMSing us, all our donors for all your support. And now we are here to chat with a very special guest. You saw her yesterday with a dazzling performance. Back here once again to spread a light, Dia Mirza.
How's it been?
Fantastic. Your name is Dia, you can sign a lamp.
Oh, lovely. This is quite a fantastic moment. Love and light. Dia.
This is one of the Terry Light a Billion Lives lamp. This is exactly what this Greenathon is all about. We're going to be trying to spread the light in villages all across India. Take a seat, Dia.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, Dia. So now tell me, how keen and passionate have you been about the environment?
Well, honestly, right through school, there was a lot of awareness because I think my principal was very keyed in on what was happening, and she really made a big effort with us. But I think my real shocker was when I saw the inconvenient truth. I promise you I had nightmares after I saw that because
a lot of people
it just startled me and scared me, and I went into panic. And
yeah, when you were chatting yesterday briefly at the time of your performance, you said perhaps what we really need to do is to reduce everything into simple things that every one of us can do.
Correct.
Got your list ready?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Why don't I give you a... But let's write it up, in fact. Let's perhaps bring this down to 10 commandments that every one of us can follow in our lives.
Yeah, that'll be wonderful. Actually,
Dia's ideas.
We all want to do something.
Okay.
And a lot of us wonder how. And I think this is a simple way to do it, which can make a big difference.
Okay, start. Item number 1.
Okay, the first thing would be stop using water unnecessarily.
Don't have showers, don't bathe.
No. Do that. We all need to do that. But don't sing while you're bathing. It wastes water because while you're soaping yourself and the shower is running, a lot of water is getting wasted in that situation. I think no, but on a more serious note, tell your domestic help to shut the taps while they're, scrubbing the utensils. A lot of us, while we're brushing our teeth, we tend to leave the tap running while we're brushing our teeth. We don't need the water while, we're working with the brush. Various things like that.
What are the other items?
Minimize the use of lights. When you leave a room, switch off the light. Try and use CFL bulbs. I think little things like turn off the geyser or the heater when you're done bathing. People tend to switch it on and leave it on and forget about it.
Shut off all your appliances.
Yes.
And use CFLs.
Okay, this is the one that all the youngsters are going to beat me up for. Don't go on random drives. I know long drives can be romantic, can be fun, can be a great way to pass time, but it's not happening.
Go for a romantic walk and not a romantic drive.
Yeah, or take a bicycle instead.
Okay.
Well, then of course, again, carpool, it helps a lot. Use alternative energy, which could be in the form of solar panels. I think there's going to be a lot more things coming into the market as alternative energy.
Okay.
Grow trees in your neighborhood. And I think what will matter more is not just growing trees, don't just plant trees, but stop people from felling trees.
Next.
I think we Indians love plastic. It's just such a convenient thing. They're blocking your drains, they're playing havoc in our lives, and we all know that plastic is not biodegradable. So please stop using plastic.
Okay, 10 commandments. We've got them there and we'll keep on flashing them on the screen to that Dia's 10 ideas for how you can actually help. Now we do of course have a number of callers standing by. Let me see how many of them I can actually squeeze in. Okay, let's just go first to Ankit Verma who's calling us from Jharkhand. Ankit, carry on. What's your question?
दिया जी मैं ये सवाल करना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो ग्रीन एनडीटीवी की ओर से जो ग्रीन थ्रू हो रहा है इसके बारे में मुझे डिटेल्स चाहिए मैडम.
ओके दिया.
अच्छा, ग्रीनथॉन एक बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट है टोयोटा और एनडीटीवी के द्वारा, जिसमें हमारी कोशिश ये है कि लोगों तक ये जानकारी पहुंचा सके कि पोल्यूशन के जो प्रॉब्लम है, जो समस्या है, उसके अच्छे हल ढूंढने का. हमारी उम्मीद यही है कि आप तक जो जानकारी हम पहुंचाना चाहते हैं या आपकी जो समस्याएं हैं उनके हल ढूंढना चाहते हैं.
और अंकित, दिया जी ने अभी कुछ काफी अच्छे आइडियाज दिए हैं, 10 आइडियाज दिए हैं. आप चाहें तो उन पे आप अमल कर सकते हैं. और दूसरी बात, अगर आप इंटरनेट तक पहुंच सकें तो green.ndtv.com पर अगर आप लॉग ऑन करें तो जितने भी अभी तक सुझाव आए हैं सबके सब आपको वहीं मिलेंगे green.ndtv.com पर. Okay, final thought before we go. Diya, I know you've always been very passionate about children. Do you think children are perhaps the best people to give those 10 commandments to and tell them to roll them out?
I totally believe that we teach best what we most need to learn. So I hope that all the children who are watching this program will learn these 10 commandments.
Okay, fantastic.